I mean, pioneers such as Procter & Gamble, pioneers of open innovation, proclaim that open innovation has improved their R&D efficiency, and it shows that these leading firms really see open innovation as an important strategy. There's more fundamental research now going on, quantitative, large-scale studies that indicate that open innovation can actually improve innovation management performance. But you have to be careful about how you interpret openness, because openness is not a binary variable. It really makes a difference how firms open up to external influences, who they're involved, and there are two sides of open innovation. The external and internal side, and if firms don't get their internal structures right, they cannot benefit from openness, and then it doesn't have an impact.
There are two core fundamental challenges which all companies in different sectors and different markets face. The first challenge is the culture, the cultural change. You can establish frameworks, you can buy platforms, but if your people don't work with mental models that enable open innovation at a broader level, you cannot be successful. The second very fundamental challenge that you see in different cases, especially in the emerging markets, is the performance part of open innovation. It's easy to talk about open innovation, but very few companies actually pragmatically go for a very comprehensive performance management program or framework when it comes to open innovation.
The next Open Innovation Forum taking place in Stuttgart on April 5th, it's going to be a special of its kind. We are bringing together internationally recognized experts from different parts of the world and from academia and also practitioners. And we'd like to discuss with these people, with these experts and the audience, what lessons we've learned on open innovation in the past and also what future challenges are.
I would like to point out three important dimensions that are going to be more and more important for open innovation in the near future. The first is emerging markets. We have been talking about open innovation far deeper, far more comprehensive in the Western world. But now open innovation is also becoming more and more important in countries like India and China. The second dimension that is very important is the sector dimension. There are certain companies in certain sectors which haven't yet opened themselves to open innovation. But there are a lot of sectors where there is a lot of potential, but companies haven't really embraced the utility of open innovation. The third dimension that's getting more and more important is the technology dimension. There is a lot of progress in social media. There are a lot of tools, technology tools that exist, and still the use, the acceptance of these tools is not that widespread.
And these new technologies allow totally new different forms of collaboration, also involvement of the individuals out there in decision making, in the value creation process. So it's definitely important for open innovation, but it's not the only thing. There are other important things that will define the next wave of open innovation. We already touched upon it, for example, the role of ecosystems. But there are other aspects, for example, sustainability, needs also be linked to open innovation. So this is also something we're going to discuss on April 5th.
I would say there is a fundamental change that is awaited in the field of social media. People, users move from one platform to the other. User will decide what kind of content he wants and not the platform. And once that happens, we will really see the prosumer revolution. We would really see innovation in the most open sense of the word.